Alright guys, what is up? I took this $25 toolbox and turned it into a charging station for all my batteries. If you want to see how I did it, stick around. And so, together. You're fired.
I'm sorry, you're fired. Get out of here.
So, I have 4 different types of batteries that I'm using right now with my tools. So I have a couple of Hart tools. I have a Porter cable nail gun. Most of it is DeWalt. And then I also have a couple of Ryobi things. And so I'm going to turn this little box into a charging station. I've already got my layout here, kind of where I want my battery packs. And then this side is going to be for like extra batteries. It comes with this little box. Sorry for all the noise, guys, these people. It came in here. So I don't know if it's going to fit after, if we're still going to keep it in there. But it came with these dividers. And then all the cords are going to be on this side. And I'm going to have a power strip. And then I'm going to drill a hole through the back so that I can plug in the box whenever I want to. Alright, so let's go ahead and empty all this stuff. Alright guys, we've got this, which we're going to put here. So we've got to drill our hole right about here and be able to get this out through here. Alright, we got a hole. Now we just got to make it bigger. Alright, so here I am just using these snips to cut little slits from the circle that I drilled, and then I'm using the utility knife here to score the plastic into a little square so that I can cut the extra plastic off of the hole area here so that I can fit my plug out. The plastic's not too thick, it's kind of thick, but it's not like horrible to get through. Hey! Thanks, bro. Alright guys, next I'm going to take this divider, which goes right here, and we're going to cut a little notch out here for the cords to go across to this side.
It's so cold already.
Ketchup is supposed to be
Are
cold.
you picking your nose, Cochina? I like my ketchup balance between cold and room temperature.
There we go.
I'm gonna let it be for you get it cold, but then chicken nuggets are warm, so that makes it more sense.
Alright, same thing here guys. I used the snips to cut little slits, and then I used the utility knife to score the plastic, and then just broke it. Next I took some Gorilla glue sticks and put them in my little hot glue gun. These are supposed to be like extra strength, so we'll see if they actually hold for a while. I glued the power strip down on the right side of the box and just held it down till the glue actually started to cool. And then I just put some weight on it to leave on there to let it hold. Next I took my chargers and just kind of laid them out the way that I wanted and figured out which way I wanted the cords to go. And then I inserted my divider and ran all my cords through the little gap that we cut out. And then I took the hot glue gun and I glued all of the charging boxes into the box so that they don't move around and jiggle and jump around when I'm moving the box. So again, yeah, we'll see how well this hot glue holds, and I'll let you guys know if it holds for a while or if they just start to come off. This is kind of an experiment. And then we took some coffee to get through the afternoon. Then I glued the Hart charger, and on this one I did have to make an adjustment. The first time the case wouldn't close, so I had to re-glue it and make sure that the case was going to close. I had it to the left a little too much. Then I took some electrical tape and just taped up all the cords from all the chargers as tight as I could so that they'll fit on the right side, and then plugged everything in. Yeah, and this is what it's looking like so far here. Again, here's where I had to adjust the battery. It wasn't on there the first time. It wasn't closing all the way. Alright, next, got this other extra extension that I'm gonna put here in this box for phone charger and radio charger and all that stuff, and then this can be taken out if I want to take it out. Same thing here, I just marked where I wanted the outlet to go, and then I scored and snapped the plastic off. I got this off of Amazon, so the link will be down below. These are pretty cool. I used these in another project for a little coffee desk thing that I made, and they're pretty cool. You can mount them on anything, just make the hole, and then you just plug them in and you have your outlets right there. No wiring or anything. And then I just threw some hot glue on the back side so that it would keep the outlet from sliding off unless I want to pull it out. And then I took the other divider and did the same thing. I cut 2 slits and then scored it with the utility knife to make another little gap for the cord to go through underneath it. Alright, and then we put everything in. If you've gotten this far in the video, guys, let me know what you guys think of this new camera view. I got a new camera recently, and it's like a POV camera. But yeah, next we plugged it in and make sure everything was gonna work. And lastly, I took this little Velcro strap and just figured that I could put it on the back side here to just hold the cord when I'm not using it, just to keep the cord management in place. And we just hot glued this as well and held it on there. No es que yo era para que era ingeniero, guys. Yo iba a ser ingeniero. Yo iba a ser ingeniero. Mira. You trapped me with kids. Alright, and last I took it out to the rest of the toolbox to see how it fit on top of the stack. And yeah, guys, I'm trying out these Hart boxes that we found at Walmart for like 60 bucks on Black Friday, and we're gonna see how long they last. But here is the final product of our battery charging box. Alright guys, there you have it. As you see, I'm out here. I've got my box that I loaded up and I just threw in the car, and I'm charging stuff right now. So as you can see, it's cool to carry around. It's handy. This is like the second week that I have it, so I'll give you guys an update later, but so far so good. And yeah, if you like the video, if it helps, if you like any part of this video, if you want to see more, hit that like and that subscribe down below, and I appreciate you guys watching the video.